Welcome back, and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the 1008 piece bead set. This set is the Say Yes alphabet bead bracelet set. This set contains 1006 assorted beads, one clear elastic cord, and one instruction sheet. These are all of the beads that the kit comes with. Instructions, and about 9 yards of elastic cord for bracelet making or necklace. Each compartment comes with a clear plastic, and so you can also sort the beads on it if you prefer. Now I can start sorting. As you can see, both of these come with all the letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we also have hearts. It comes with a lot of vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. These beads also come in every letter of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and hearts. They also come with more vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. After I sorted all the letters, I put all of them in a Ziploc plastic baggie, which you can purchase online or at a craft store. And here are some of the choices for the wording with back to school. I'm going to make some first grade, some BFF, and I love school. You can make these into backpack clips or bracelets. These are going to be available for purchase. Let me know in the comments if you'd like one. We have some gold stars, some shiny beads, and the round bead also comes in a gold, purple, orange, and light blue. And you have lots of choices in the wording, as you can see. To make it easier, read all the instructions before you begin crafting. To learn more, you can go to MakeItRealPlay.com. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon in my next video.